guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna give you 6 GORILLAPOD hacks. Let's count them out. Number 6 is the big yes. This is where you take your GORILLAPOD and you take 2 of the legs and you put them like this, and then take the back leg and pull it out like so. You want to have it pretty straight as you can, and then that. And then you can put it on the ground or your knees or somewhere and just rock it. Tilt it back and forth. Yeah, you can go all the way back and all the way forward with this baby. And you're gonna have a nice, smooth, steady shot. Number 5 is wrap it around a stick. And like a really long stick or a branch, find a tree branch in the woods and wrap it around one end, and then take the end of the stick and then just zoom it around for a drone effect. Number 4 is the stabilizer. Your camera is going to be upside down for this one, but you can readjust that. You can flip it around in editing. And so we take the 2 arms, put them out like that, and then take this one and go straight up with it. And then adjust your camera so it's nice and straight how you want it. And then I like to hold it by 2 fingers and just pick up this, obviously, because it'll be dragging on the ground if you get too low, and you can just whee. If you have your lens stabilizer and camera stabilizer on, this will get a nice smooth shot. It's gonna look really cool too, because you'll get an angle. You'll be able to get angles that no one else can. And when you flip it over, it will actually make things backwards. So it's kind of a cool effect, but if you don't want it, you can flip it another way too. So yeah. Number 3 is the pet monkey. And I'm gonna take my jacket off for this one, because this little guy he deserves the jacket being taken off. This is going to go like this. You're gonna take the 2 front legs, kind of bend them like that, and then you're gonna take the back leg, put it straight back, and curve it back. Then you've got a nice little, you want to adjust it so it'll go around your shoulder, around the back of your shoulder, and like that and that, and just rest it on your boobies if you're a girl. You can walk around like that and it'll be nice and steady. You can move your body in different ways. That's a good one. Number 2 is the machine gun. Now this one is a lot like the pet monkey. It's a little different though. You are going to need to rotate your camera so that there's 2 legs in back instead of the front. You just want to bring these back, rest the 2 on, if you've ever shot a gun, put the balls, put each ball in where you would put the butt of a gun. Hold on to this, straighten that out, and you've got some awesome, really, really smooth shots, just like that. For those of you who have not shot a gun, when you feel your shoulder, this is your shoulder, right? So just feel your shoulder coming into your collarbone. There's like a kind of a little pinch point where your collarbone meets your shoulder, and then there's a crease that goes down from it where you can feel your ball joint. So come down that crease and just put this ball anywhere in that crease, and it'll be nice and steady. Pull your camera up the way you want it. Hold the inside like this. Keep your arm tight, hold your other arm straight out, kind of pull it out, and you are gonna get some awesome shots from that as well. Number 1 is the hammock. Very simple. So you wrap your strap around your neck. I'm gonna have to kneel for this one. Place each ball on each of your hips. get the camera how you want it, and then you can, somebody's calling me. I'm gonna ignore that though for like 2 seconds. And then you can either walk around like holding this and the leg, so then you can get some nice smooth shots like that. Patent Services USA. I don't think so, Patent Services USA. Anyways, as I was saying, I'm pretty sure I just explained everything to you, but like my hip is right here. That's like the butterfly in my pelvis is right here. So you want to get that little sucker right in front of there, and the same, oops, sorry, and the same for the other one. And you can either have this straight out like that and make sure you keep your strap tight, or you could like pull that up and then you can have like a little that looks so wrong, but that you could have like a little knobby to yeah, that's actually a good idea. And then make sure you keep your hands tight, your arms tight against your waist. Keep both hands on the little knob. And then if you want to, you can rest, like if you want to bring it up and do something else with it, you can pick it up a little and just go like from resting on your hips to resting on the underneath of your arm, like this. That's my shit. Few times I've been around that track. Alright guys, that's all for today. I hope you loved the video. If you loved the video, even if you just kind of liked it, like it down below. Make sure you smash that like button if that's something you're into. Subscribe to the family if you're not already. And I will catch you guys on the flip side. KK later, crackers. This is Nessa signing off. Oh wait, I want to do it this time. This is Nessa and Kara signing off.
But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say